panel interview questions na medyo tricky at medyo mahirap sagutin, pero simple lang yung tanong. Ganito yung question. How will you politely notify your colleagues about on posting on social media before your tour of duty? So paano mo daw ino-notify yung colleagues or kasamahan tungkol sa pagpo-post sa social media ng tungkol sa duty or bago mag-duty? Okay, so ganito yan sagutin, direct to the point, walang maraming paligoy-ligoy. Sabihin ng ganito: I will remind them respectfully and privately, emphasizing professionalism and security. I will say, for our safety and integrity of our duty, it is best if we avoid posting on social media. Posting on social media about our incoming or current operations so that we will not compromise security. As a Bucor applicant, I uphold discipline and operational security while maintaining respect and camaraderie. Ganyan lang kasimple. Para hindi masaktan ang colleagues, with respect and with professionalism. That way, hindi ka lumabag sa memorandum or sa batas na meron sa organization. Hindi mo rin naipahiya ang iyong kasamahan. Once again, ako si 124, ang inyong certified kupal. Lagi nagpapaalala, wag na wag kang magiging kupal.
Bro, kupal tots, masakit pero may saysay. Tinutulungan ko kahit minsan mahirap tanggap.